All right, we back at it again. Once again, another car detailing. Oh man, oh man, oh man! Look like we're gonna have a foam party today. Look at all this foam every single place inside the car, in and out. This is ridiculous. Talk about Frosty the Snowman. That's ridiculous. Anyways, look at it doing what it's doing. Like always, messing up the vehicle inside and out. Because I see no reason why you should be doing all this type of stuff inside of a vehicle when detailing. But what do I know? I'm not a detailer. I'm just trying to pronounce and show you exactly what I feel about it. Oh my goodness. Pressure washing the seat. Surprised there's no holes in it. Oh man, and the pressure washing inside of the engine with a green tip. I can only see bad things in the future with this vehicle starting up, but we'll definitely keep watching and see how it goes, because right now it ain't looking too well and good. But the engine is coming out nice and slick, so that's one thing I definitely can't give a plus on. As we move on to the next scenario, now he's taking everything out of the vehicle one by one, everything getting dismantled just like Transformers. Yep, praying inside of a BMW. Like I said again, I don't see the reason why it's even need be. Just get rid of the vehicle, but it is what it is. Now they're spraying the carpet. What is, oh my goodness, no way. So now he's spraying and painting the interior. Now it became a detail and a spray paint job at the same time. Man, so if someone sits on it, their whole back is going to be all tan. That's craziness. But it is looking good, though, from the before and after. So I'll definitely get a plot on that. Oh, what is he going to try to do? Oh, don't tell me he's going to try to start it. Oh.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh, God. Anyways, that's another review for this BMW. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more of these honest reviews and details. Catch you on the next one.